how you can change your personal Instagram account to a creator account and also from a business account to a creator account. Let's get started. First, we'll have to open our Instagram and go to our profile on the bottom right. From there, we're going on the top right, we can open the settings menu. We scroll down until you find the account type and tools. You open this setting. Here you have an option to switch to professional account. Click on it. Keep tapping on continue. Now you can choose the type of account you want to have, and it also gives you an option to display it on your profile. You can turn it off if you want. Click on done. From here, it takes us to a page where you can choose a creator account or a business account. For now, I'm going to do a business account and click on next. After this, we can set up our account here. You don't have to do all of this and you can skip all these steps and close this. And once we refresh, now it's changed into a business account. So if you go on the settings menu and see here, you can find the business tools and controls. That means your account has been changed to a business account. Similarly, you can change to a creator account as well. Now we're going to change this into a creator account. For this, we're going on the professional dashboard, and on the top right, tap the gear icon. Scroll down until you find the preferences. Open this, and at the very bottom, you can see switch account type. From here, you can switch to a creator account and switch. It takes a while. Now it says it's switched to a creator account. Now if we go to our profile and refresh, and if you just check on the menu, here it shows now it creator tools and controls, which means your account has been changed to a creator account. Similarly, to go back to the personal account, you just tap on it, the settings, and go to your preferences and switch account type. From here, you can switch back and forth to business and personal account. Thank you for watching.